Okay, so this is for lumbar traction. So click lumbar, you want to hit edit. Treatment time, 15 minutes. If you need to edit, you just click, adjust, and hit the back button. We want to make sure that it's on static, not intermittent. You want for lumbar 2 steps. Edit the max for lumbar is 60. Edit, hold, and rest. You want to hold for 60, rest for 10. Speed, this is lumbar's fast, so fast is 100, slow is 30. And then you're going to hook the patient up. To release the rope, you're going to press and hold rope release and pull out to where you need. Once they're strapped in, just hit rope release and it will tighten back up. And then you're going to hit this knob to unlock it, hand the patient the control button, and then hit start.